Hi, it's Connie again from Pre-Motion by the River, and today we are opening up day 19 of the Advent boxes. Let's see. It's getting down there. This is, oh, a beautiful box. This is day 19 of Missouri Star Quilt Company. And then this, that's heavy, that is day 19 of Soft Squares. We'll start with this one. Oh, it's a little one. This is a little Ingrid's Wildflowers box. Isn't that cute? Do I have? Yep, I've got the big one up there. So this is a mini. And what's nice about these is they come with everything that you need. It comes with, comes with the floss, comes with little patterns, notions, your little needles, and here, that teaches you how to do the different patterns. This I may end up gifting to someone because it's beautiful. Although I do love the little containers. So that is pretty. Let me see. There's the big one that I have. They're both beautiful. Okay. And day 19 from Soft Squares. Not sure what this is. Oh, 10-inch squares. Day 19. Melrose Moda 10-inch squares. Oh, beautiful colors. This one, it's a layer cake. So there are, I believe there's 42 10-inch squares. Oh, and then a cake mix recipe. And these are so that you can, if you want to do paper piecing, like recipe 5 will make several fun blocks. Mix and match or stay with just one style. This layer cake is beautiful. If you attended the fall retreat, you may recognize it. Add a solid fabric to the layer cake and you will have a beautiful quilt. So those are pretty neat. I've never used them. I've had this before, but I've never used it because I just find it easier to cut the fabric and make it like I want. But somebody else might like this. This might be something great, a gift. So that is beautiful. And the value, this is day 19, and the value on this is $56. That's beautiful. I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and come back tomorrow for day 20. Thank you.